Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best rear view mirror dashcam you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best rear view mirror dashcam, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Gensai Touch Mirror Dashcam. Brand name, Jansite. 2.5K Ultra HD Steaming. 10-inch full touchscreen display. Super Night Vision. The camera chip has a built-in night vision processing function, which allows you to record video even in low-light environment. 170-degree wide angle. With a 170-degree wide angle lens, the camera can comfortably monitor 3 lanes. Time-lapse video can be continuously recorded for 24 hours, more secure and convenient. Easy to look back at the video. You can adjust the appropriate angle of view by long pressing the screen and moving your finger up and down. You can switch views by swiping your finger left or right. It contains 3 views: front view, rear view, front and rear view. Front camera design with this thoughtful Jansite front lens design. Automatic reverse safety parking. Automatically overwrite the previous recordings with new files except locked files when the memory card is full. G-sensor can lock up current DVR recording during critical moments, thus protecting your high-quality recordings. 24 hours parking monitor. This product regular price $133 to $321, but now offer price $48 to $115. Eas Car Dvr Mirror. Brand name, Eas. 2 touch buttons to adjust the field of view. Streaming media rear view mirror. Use full screen instead of original Rearview mirror. Display rear image of vehicle on screen in real time through camera. It is not affected by obstacles or natural weather. Split screen design to switch front and rear view recording. Big screen and clearly and easily to check rear view. Touch screen to switch to front camera, back camera. 10-inch touch super screen display. 2.5D curved glass design, scratch resistant, anti-glare, anti-fingerprint. Flexible front camera, 2 cm longer, can be adjustable, can also adjust the lens up and down in left and right. And 6 glass HD lens, through the most, too dark, the screen of the active exposure adjustment, which is more detailed picture details, the image clearer. Full HD 1080p video quality. Dual cameras simultaneously recording. This car DVR has cameras that allows for simultaneously recording videos from 2 different angles. Smart rear view angle switch between driving and parking. G-sensor. When your car is subjected to an impact or other emergency, the G-sensor is triggered, so that the recorder immediately records and locks the video. Motion detection. With the motion detection function is enabled, when the car DVR detects a moving object, it will automatically start recording video. When there is no moving object, it will stop recording and detect the moving object again. This product regular price $82 to $156, but now offer price $45 to $86. VVCAR Mirror Car DVR. Brand name, VVCAR. HD recording tow lens, dual screen simultaneous display. IPS high-definition touchscreen. The front and rear roads are displayed on the same screen, and you can also choose to display the front or rear of the car separately. 170-degree super wide screen. 24 hours parking mode. Auto switch to parking mode when you park your car. Triggered by the motion detection, the dash cam will auto-record once the front camera or inside camera detects motion. GPS track. The global satellite positioning system accurately records your driving trajectory. Dedicated player. Playback display is more detailed. You can view your speed, coordinates, map track in detail. Dual recording HD recording, full glass high definition lens, no fear of darkness, the same clear night shooting. 3 screen display modes. 1. Front recording screen. 2. Rear recording screen. 3. Split screen display. Many choices, there is always one that fits you. The rear recording screen is displayed by default. Swipe up and down to adjust the screen display area. 2.5D curved touchscreen IPS high-definition display. Reversing assistance, easy storage. Special features, cycle recording, time and date display, microphone, LED display, with rearview mirror, night vision, dual lens, GPS tracker, waterproof, anti-vibration. This product regular price $93 to $141 but now offer price $74 to $112. Vivilink 4K driving recorder dashcam. Brand name, Vivilink Uhd 4K, stunning details front camera, adopted Sony Starvis IMX415, captures native 4K UHD footage with stunning details than ever. Sony sensor, super night vision. Industry-leading Sony 4K sensor IMX415, HF12TQ, achieving an outstanding low light performance 3.3 times higher than conventional 4K resolution sensor. Captures crisp clear nighttime video footage in low light condition. 12-inch screen display offers wider horizontal field of view than 10-inch screen, which enables you to monitor more traffic information on the road while driving. Voice control, speak to the dashcam to control it instead to touch the screen, free you hand, making safer during the driving. Include video start-stop, lock the video, take a photo, turn off on screen, turn on off audio, show both camera, show front and rear camera. GPS tracking, extra driving info recorded, GPS signal receiver keeps track of your vehicle's location and driving speed. When videos are played on computer, a simultaneous Google Map view will show your vehicle's location, driving route, and driving speed. Parking assist, safely parking. When your car is put into reverse, the 12-inch full touchscreen will display the rear view with parking guidelines to help you park safely. Dual cams, all-around protection, driving with peace of mind with this 2-channel dashcam. 170 front cam and 160 rear cam records simultaneously to give maximum protection for your car. The different G-sensor sensitivity of collision detection could be adjusted. You can select from low, middle, high, and off as needed. This product regular price $499 but now offer price $299. Obdpeak Rearview Car Mirror. Brand name, Obdpeak. 12-inch panoramic screen. The display employs new techniques and technology to precisely follow the curves of the design, all the way to the elegantly rounded corners. To ensure 100% image view will be displayed in this 12-inch entirely mirror screen. Dual lens recording. This car DVR has 2 cameras that allows for simultaneously recording videos from 2 different angles. Picture-in-picture display will let you have clear view from front and backup camera. WDR technology can achieve very perfect video and image quality, regardless of whether the outside light is too bright or too dark. D80 can operate normally between -50 degrees Celsius and +80 degrees Celsius, and we have undergone rigorous testing. HD reversing assistance. This car DVR has 2 cameras that allows for simultaneously recording videos from 2 different angles. Picture-in-picture display will let you have clear view from front and backup camera. Car Assist app. Car driving path will be recorded in real-time. Payback on Car Assist app. Remote monitor and GPS logger tracking. Track the location of your car, remotely capture what happened to your car from anywhere in the world. View images and watch video clips of your car with app on your smartphone once you are connected to the internet. Built-in 4 GB plus 32 GB. You can download more apps and the device will work more smoothly. This product regular price $299 to $369 but now offer price $140 to $173.